Hey guys, in this video I try to connect my Oculus Quest to my DJI Mini 4 drone to fly like FPV drone. For the video components, I used Quest 2 and Mini 4 drone and Type-C to Type-C video capture cards for a Nintendo Switch. And also the wide angle lens. Actually, since this is my first recording using Oculus, so I didn't know that the pass-through video could be recorded. So now all I can see is a black screen, unfortunately, because I want to show my components with my pass-through video. Actually, you can see the video is quite a blur. Well, I apologize for that. I accidentally touched land with my fingerprint, so I just realized when I edit this video, but I hope you enjoy.